and welcome back to Emily Educates How to Use Technology. Today, I will be explaining, by using simple steps, how to Google. Feel free to pause the video whenever you wish, so that you can follow along at your own pace. First, launch the Safari app on your device. It looks like a blue compass. Next, go to the URL search bar at the top of the page and type in the word Google, spelt Google, and press return. This will take you to the Google search bar. Now, you can type in anything you wish to search. Press return. Congratulations! You've now learnt how to Google on any Apple device. Thank you for listening and watching Emily Educates How to Use Technology.